Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's feather trading time. So, in this video, I'm going to show you the collection of my rare feathers. On the starting of the video, click on the like button, subscribe my channel, and click on the bell icon so that you get more updates for my new videos. So, the first feather in the collection comes this guinea fowl feather. You think this is a turkey feather, but I'll just zoom the feather and show you. Look at these white color spots here. So this is not a turkey feather. This is a guinea fowl feather. Then the next feathers in the collection are these brown pigeon tail feathers. In this one, this is a silver and brown pigeon tail feather, and this is a white and brown pigeon tail feather. Then the next feather in the collection comes this brown pigeon wing feather. Brown pigeons come to my place, and you know what they do? Brown pigeons leave feathers for me. I like collecting brown pigeon feathers. Then the next feather in the collection is the Odisha chicken feather. You know how Odisha chickens look? Uh, Odisha chickens, they look black and white. So this is an Odisha chicken feather. Then the next feather in the collection is the white pigeon feather. It can be called as a dove feather also, or a white pigeon feather. Then the next feather is like this. It's a myna feather, wing feather. I collected this one from my place where I near my house. They are very common. Then this feather is a pigeon feather, normal one. But the next feather in the collection is the barbet feathers. You think bulbul wing feathers look like this, but look at the green color in this side. So this is a barbet feather, not a bulbul wing feather. Then the next feather is the Indian roller feather. Sometimes people get confused that this is a kingfisher feather. But look here, this is a Indian roller feather, not a kingfisher feather. Then the next feather is the owl feather. I collected this one from Sanjeevaya Park. Then the next feather in the collections comes the next feather is the spotted tail feather. Uh, this is how spotted tail feathers look. I collected this one also near my house. Then the next feather in my collection comes the coil feathers, the Asian coil feathers. Then this one is a male coil feather, this one is a female coil feather. Then the next feather in the collection is one more myna feather. I collected 5 myna feathers near my house. You know how many? I collected 5 myna feathers. Then the next the next feather collection in mine is this chicken feather. This is a normal chicken feather, and this is found in Hyderabad. Then the next feather in my collection is very unique. I didn't buy or collect. I just bought it from my friend. So this is a shikra feather. Shikra feathers look like female coil feathers, but this is not a female coil feather. This is a shikra feather. Then this is a normal pigeon feather, but this is a common feather, not rare. Then the next feather is this one, but it's silver color, but I don't know which feather is this, but it is very easy to find. Then the next feather in the collection comes very rare and is found only near seas, lakes. This is cattle egret feather. I collected this one from Sanjeevaya Park. It is just like the size of my crow feather, what I have. This is the cattle egret tail feather. Then I've got a cattle egret wing feather also to show you, but I show that later. This is a pond heron feather. You know, pond heron feathers are also of the same color. They are the same color of the white pigeon feathers, but they are even light white. Not that good. Then the next feather in the collection is very rare, which are this peacock tail feathers. And you know what peacocks are? Peacocks are the national birds of India. Then the next feather is this peacock wing feather. This is my normal peacock wing feather. Then one is this coffee colored peacock wing feather, or a rufous colored peacock wing feather. You know, this peacock wing feather is slightly orange, but look at the brown, which I am showing you. So this is a coffee colored peacock wing feather. And you know, I found this in KBR National Park. Do you know that? Peacock feathers are too easy to find in KBR National Park. Then I've got one more peacock wing feather in my collection. Then the next feather comes the peahen tail feathers. Uh, you think peahens are male? But no. Peacocks are male and peahen is a female. So this is a peahen tail feather. Then I have got one more feather in the part of the peacock feathers, but which is a peahen breast feather. But I show that in the next video. So this is a kite tail feather. You know, kite feathers are extremely hard to find in roads, etc. They are very hard to find even in lawns, etc. They are easy to find only in forests, jungles, etc. And I have got one more kite feather in my collection, which is the kite wing feather. It looks like this. This is how a kite wing feather looks. So you think this is an eagle feather, but this is a kite wing feather. Then the next feather in the collection is the peahen breast feather. You see this? Peahen breast feathers are too common in KBR National Park, botanical gardens, etc. They are very popular. If you want to, if you want these feathers, you can collect it from. You only have to collect it. So you know, I collected this peacock tail feather from KBR National Park. So thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe my channel. Namaskar.